Hey guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing something new that I haven't done before in my YouTube channel. So the thing is pretty common but मैंने कभी नहीं किया. I'm gonna be telling you about the books that I read last month, that is September. Okay, so I read quite a few books, like at least 6 books this September. But I'm gonna be talking about 3 because इसका part 2 आने वाला है क्योंकि when I talk about books I don't shut up, you know that. So this video is going to be about at least 15 minutes. So I'm going to be like telling you about 3 books. Like this is the part 1, okay? So the first is The Couple Next Door by Shari Lapena. The second is Looking for Alaska, and if you know me, the previous video of mine was Turtles All the Way Down by John Green. It was a book review, and if you like watched that video, you know how much I loved it. I was really excited to read this book because it's John Green's debut novel, and seriously, trust me, it doesn't feel like that. It's his first novel, and this video is going to be really hard for me because मेरे को आदत है book review देने की, and today I'm just gonna be like बहुत जल्दी मैं बताने वाली हूँ that what is in this book, why you should read it, why you shouldn't read this. Yeah, so that is this video is going to be about. And the last is Life is What You Make It. Still so excited to talk about this. इसका book review आएगा क्योंकि मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी. Okay, and I guess सबका individual book review आने वाला है. So the first is The Couple Next Door that I said by Shari Lapena. So मैं उसका पीछे का पढ़ने वाली हूँ disclaimer what this book is about. So your neighbor told you that she didn't want your 6-month-old daughter at the dinner party. Nothing personal, she just couldn't stand her crying. Your husband said it would be fine. After all, you only live next door. You will have the baby monitor and you will take it in turns to go back every half hour and check on her. Your daughter was sleeping when you checked on her last time. But now, as you race up the stairs in your deathly quiet house, your worst fears have come true because she is gone. And you have never had to call the police before, but now they are in your home, and who knows what they will find there. So you kind of get the idea, right? What is happening is that there is a couple, Anne and Marco, and क्या होता है? They go to a dinner party. The hosts are the couple next door. So they leave their 6-month-old daughter at their house. She's just next door, and they are going to check on her every half hour. But the last time Anne checked on her was the time when she was sleeping. But when they came home, their daughter wasn't there. And trust me, oh my god, I loved the narration of the book. It is something that I have never read before. It's seriously like a movie going inside your head. Trust me, every line and everything you will imagine in your head going on. And ये मैं ऐसे नहीं बोल रही हूँ क्योंकि मैंने बहुत books पढ़ी है, so I can say that. Trust me, this जो writing है ना, it seriously builds up that scene, builds up this tension, that intense scene is going to be inside your head because it's so damn real. And the thing that I loved about this book ना, that had everything. Family drama है इस book में, एक अच्छा suspense है, thriller है, mystery है. Everything is there in this book, and I seriously don't find any reason to not read this book. I really think that you will finish this book in one reading, and I should have done that because I was reading this at intervals, and I don't think that was a good thing because this is kind of a book that, you know, holds you. मतलब feel कराती कि यार आगे क्या होने वाला है, क्या होने वाला है. And I didn't do that, and I hate myself for that because the ending was like really twisted and really like unexpected. So I didn't think that कि ऐसा भी कुछ हो सकता है, and I was like so thrilled in the ending. So I would say that I am not completely satisfied because I have read Gone Girl. So it's seriously like imagine कि तुमने किसी अच्छी जगह से best ice cream खाई है, ठीक है? You will never be able to forget the taste of that ice cream. And whenever you go and have ice cream now, you just compare that ice cream to the best ice cream you had. So that is what it is a metaphor. Sorry, I'm really bad at explaining. What I meant to say is that Gone Girl is seriously the best thriller, crime, mystery book that I've ever read. Okay, so whenever I read something in that genre, my mind automatically compare that book to Gone Girl. So when I was reading this, I was comparing this to Gone Girl. So if you haven't read Gone Girl, please go and read it. Then you can read it, and ये बहुत अच्छी book है. I didn't like find any bad points in this book. Comment down if you want me to give a book review on this book, then I'll do it. But I absolutely think that you should read this book. Yeah, definitely if you like जो भी मैंने बताया, then please go read this book. As a reader, as a viewer, if I needed to rate this, I would rate it 4.5 stars. Yeah, I loved it. Now, the second book actually पहले ये कर लेते हैं, Looking for Alaska. Oh my God, what a book this is. It's so amazing. It's like teenagers के ऊपर है. So the main character, that is Mile Halters, and in this whole book he is known as Pudge. Remember that. So what happens is that Mile Halters, he is an introvert and he wants to go to a different school in his 11th and 12th class because उसने जितनी भी अपनी life जी है, school life, nobody knows him. He has no friend. So he's really like that, you know, I want to change my life. I want to seek that great perhaps. So what he does that, he goes to his dad's boarding school that his dad went to, that is Culver Creek. So the metaphor that I really like now was that he says that he wants to seek that great perhaps. And I think that is so beautiful that we all are doing that, right? Like we all are seeking that great perhaps. And हम में से कुछ होते हैं इतने लकी कि हमें एक ग्रेट परहैप्स मिल जाता है, लेकिन बहुत सारे होते हैं जो पूरी लाइफ ढूंढते रहते हैं. एक पूरी लाइफ तो नहीं, कभी ना कभी तो मिलेगा. So the thing is that he go and seeks that great perhaps and he finds his great perhaps, that is Alaska. So Alaska is a girl's name in this book. So the scene is like, it's pretty crazy. What happens is that they are going to prank their campus. So what they do, 5 characters, Pudge and his best friend the Colonel, his name was Chip. So the Colonel, Pudge, Alaska, Takumi, Lara. So these 5, they are planning to prank their campus. Campus पे prank करने के लिए they have to go off their campus, like they can't stay at their campus. So what they do is they find a barn that is few yards away from their campus. So they are living there. Just imagine how cool it is. 5 teenagers living at a barn going to prank their campus. That was the best part of this book because everything is described so beautifully. It's like a movie. Again, it's like a movie going inside your head. It will like remind you of your school days. So what they're doing is that they're just drinking and playing games and they're just talking to each other. It's a really beautiful scene, yaar. I mean, how do I describe it? Just read this book, you will find out. So you have to read about barn night. अगर आप ये book पढ़ोगे, just wait and don't shut this book until you get that barn night scene. You will love it. So the second thing that I am going to be saying will convince you to read this book. I think that will convince you to read this book is what happens that of course पता ही चल रहा है that Pudge जो है Miles Halters, he is in love with Alaska. What happens is that सब लोग Thanksgiving पे all are going to home, but Alaska is not going to her home. So what she says is that Pudge do not go in the Thanksgiving holiday and just stay at the campus. Everyone is going home. So just think, अगर आपके क्रश ने आपको बोला कि पूरा हॉस्टल खाली होने वाला है और बस तुम दोनों ही हॉस्टल में रुकने वाले हो, just think about that opportunity, man. I mean, it's crazy. I can't even imagine me and my crush spending the night, spending days in a campus that is empty. And I don't know why John Green loves stargazing. This was scene जब they rob someone's hostel room and वो लोग beer वगैरह लेते हैं and what they do is they go to a field and lay down, stars हैं, तुम्हारे पास ड्रिंक है, सब कुछ है और Alaska is reading a book to Pudge and it's a really pretty scene. I mean, just imagine that scene, यार. You and your crush, कितनी सारी possibilities है, क्या कुछ हो सकता है. Yeah, so that is my reason why you should read this book. And there was a lot of answers that were not given. We needed more answers. So yeah, when you finish this book now, you have a lot of unanswered questions. So if you're not a person like this, then I don't think that you should read it. The thing that I really didn't like in this book now is that I love character building. If you have watched my video, you know how much I love to go in the depth of the character. I want to know what they're feeling. Like I want to feel that empathy, that connection, that pain going inside their mind, and I want to connect with them. So that was really hard with Alaska because Alaska के बारे में there's not much information in this book. There's always some answers that you need that isn't in this book. So you are always like disappointed. I wanted to know more about Alaska, why she did what she did and why she behaved the way she did. It's a book that you absolutely love or you absolutely hate. Like बीच में नहीं होने वाला. yeah, you should give this book a try. Comment down if you want me to review Looking for Alaska by John Green. Now, the third book is Life is What You Make It by Preeti Shenoy, and oh my god, you know, I have tried out so many Indian authors and I'm always like that I need more. मैंने बहुत अच्छे Indian authors को पढ़ा. I have read 7 to 8 Indian books, and the book that I absolutely love is Life is What You Make It by Preeti Shenoy, and it is a book that completely moved me. जितनी भी मैंने पढ़ी है compared to them, this was a pretty great book. The last book like जो मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी थी ना was Will You Still Love Me by Ravinder Singh, and I loved that book. I have a book review on that book. If you haven't checked it out, please go and check it out. But Life is What You Make It. It is something unique. It is a warrior mentality because the main character, that is Ankita Sharma, is a warrior. क्या होता है that she has a pretty normal life, okay, but somehow she ends up in a mental hospital and now she has to fight her own battles. She has a lot of problems in her life. She got into depression. She was living a pretty normal life in Kerala, and what happens is that she moves to Mumbai, and where she just kills her academic year. She's a topper, but suddenly something happens. Suddenly she is in depression, she is in anxiety, she is feeling anxiety, and trust me, जब anxiety का part आता है ना, Preeti Shenoy nailed it. She completely nailed the part in describing Ankita's feeling, because I mean it will rent your heart like this. छेद कर देगा तुम्हारे दिल में, because the scene is like described really well, and I don't think that you cannot cry, and it's really triggering. तुम्हारे मेंटल हेल्थ पे बहुत असर पड़ने वाला है if you read this book, and मुझे बहुत खुशी होती है ऐसी बुक्स पढ़ के, because when I read this book I was feeling like हाँ यार, अपने इंडियन ऑथर्स भी कुछ कम नहीं है, क्योंकि I have a lot of friends who read only foreign authors, कितने सारे इंडियन ऑथर्स, and I have a lot of journey to go, and I am pretty sure कि मैं और इंडियन ऑथर्स को डिस्कवर करने वाली हूँ, but Preeti Shenoy, oh my god, I loved her. So what was I saying? I completely forgot. I was saying that suddenly Ankita is in depression, she is in anxiety, and she has no idea what is happening to her. She is hurting herself, she is cutting herself. It was mentally triggering to read this part when she was cutting herself, when she was, attempting suicide. Oh my god, that was so hard to read. And like I said, Preeti Shenoy completely nailed that part. She described it so well that you actually get connected, that you actually feel what Ankita is feeling. It's absolutely beautiful at the same time, and it's absolutely heartbreaking at the same time. That is what I want to say. It's a pretty simple book. It has a really simple English, and every layman who wants to read any Indian novel now, read this book. Then move on to Chetan Bhagat, to the authors that I have reviewed. They're absolutely amazing. Chetan Bhagat is also amazing. Ankita has suffered a lot, and still she doesn't give up. That is what this book is about. It's about not giving up. It's about a warrior mentality. It's about someone dealing with depression and dealing with so much anxiety, so much pain, that she has attempted suicide 3 times. Still she is a warrior. She comes back and she fights her own battles. वो अपने पैरों पे फिर से खड़े होना सीखती है. That is what this book is about. It will inspire you to do something in your life. And if you think that I have given a spoiler, you're absolutely wrong, darling. Trust me, मैंने कुछ नहीं बताया. And she has a pretty life. She is beautiful and she has boys roaming around her. But suddenly something happens. She lands up in a mental hospital. Now you have to read why she is in a mental hospital, why she is feeling the way she is feeling, everything like that. So that is all what I have to say about this book. I'm not gonna say anything more than that because I know that I loved it, and I'm gonna review it individually. The video is going to come out very soon, like in a week or something. So yeah, please stay tuned, and that is it for today, guys. I hope you like this video, and please comment down if you want me to review any of these books, and comment down if you have read any of these books. I would love to know your reviews and all. Thank you so much for watching this.